Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that often comes up when talking about digging or overcharging. Gouge. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is gouge, rhymes with scourge or dodge with a soft J sound. Let's break it down. The beginning gow sounds like the gu in gourd. The ending J is a soft sound, like the G in rouge. Now let's put it all together. Gouge. Try repeating after me. Gouge. Now a little faster. Gouge. And at full speed. Gouge. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Gouge can mean to make a deep cut or hole in something, like he used a knife to gouge a mark in the wood. It can also mean to overcharge someone unfairly, like the store tried to gouge customers with high prices during the emergency. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce gouge and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.